So, Bitcoin at 57,300. Is it too late to buy na ba? Um, let's see the charts. Let's start with the monthly. 19,800 is a major support, of course. It's the previous all-time high, but it's 65% down. So, zoom in tayo. Weekly. Saan support? Quick lang. 28K and 30K. Also, 38K. And then 43,000. Masyado pa rin malayo from the current price action, 25%. Kung bibili ka dito, no? So, tingnan natin, 3-day. Okay, now this is more interesting as we might have a new 3-day close. Yeah, tomorrow na pala. This 3-day close would be very, very bullish if it did that. I might buy and actually use this 55,800 as my to manage my entry. Yes, so support natin is 55,800 as long as it's above there. It's very, very good in the immediate term, short term, no? Yeah, so mayroon din tayong uptrend in hourly. And the pressure natin, yung resistance at 58K, yeah, 57,800. Now, tingnan natin yung momentum oscillators. RSI is downtrending on the 4-hour, creating bearish div. Kinda. Actually, I don't know if it created there. But one thing we're sure is it's doing this wedge-like formation. Which can break any direction. So, summarize natin anong gagawin natin kay Bitcoin. As long as it's above 55,800, very, very immediately bullish. And I would expect 60K like next week as soon as possible, maybe even Monday. Now, if this break 55,800 breaks, I would immediately looking at 53,400 first. Let's see. Yeah. Moving averages natin, bottom of cloud malapit doon. So yeah, around 53.8 to 53.5 if nag-fail yung 55,800. If nag-fail lang ha. So, daily meron ba tayong moving averages doon? Daily 9 EMA, tama. Daily 9 or daily 10? Daily 10 actually. Weird. 12 or 21 ba? Okay, 12 or 21 is nandun. So yeah, where did I bought Bitcoin? I actually bought around this level here. See by the green arrow. That's because that's a 2-day backfill. Hindi kita dito, no? Pero meron pa ako isang confluence which is the 1R89 tsaka top of the Ichimoku cloud. So, yeah, dun ako naka-entry. And then, kung mag-fail ang 53K, 53,500, ano yung next? Well, off muna natin tong moving average. I would say na we might be looking lower actually. Yeah, around 50,000, 51K na. Pero I think we're eventually gonna reach for this again, 47,800. So, yeah, yun na yun. So, as long as we hold 55,800 immediately, up tayo. If that fails, next level is 53.5. 53.5, and actually this one is very important as well. We can wick on this like range, no? Pero close above. So, pwede tayong mag-slight, mag-slight tamaan natin tong ilalim ng range, pero close yung candles above, like 4 hour. If we close, halimbawa, binili ko to, tapos, nag-fail yung close, like, nag-close siya below, at alis na lang ako agad because that's not signature of strength, and the sellers might actually be pushing the price down even further. Um, yeah, so ang pinaka-base natin is 52,500 must hold whatever the cost. No. All right. So that's it for Bitcoin. Very quick analysis. Punta tayo sa heavily requested na coin, si Cardano. So, ano ba nakita ko kay Cardano? Since ito is hype coin rin to eh. Last week kasi may event siya. So, it's not looking good at the daily actually. Pero punta tayo sa ano. Monthly is really good. Like if it retrace 50%, like around 0.6 to 0.5, that would be a buy opportunity. Pero nasa $1 ka ngayon, ang layo. Tingnan natin moving averages sa weekly. 0.8. Yeah, 0.85 muna. And then 0.6. Yep. Yeah. Buy it around there. Same sa daily, 0.86, 85, 86 rin. Same na yun sa hourly na. Now, on the 4 hours, sa shorter time frame, nakita natin nag-bounce tayo sa 200 EMA at 0.99. That would be your good buy opportunity. I think this will test immediately short term, no? Actually, above view off na tayo. Wow. Above view off tayo. Okay, weird. Test natin weekly. Okay. Okay, so since above VWAP tayo, I would expect this to test around 1.09, pero sabi ng 4 hour is, in fact, we could even test 0.15. Yun yung breakdown natin sa daily eh. Sorry, not 0.15, 1.15. Yeah, 1.15. I would expect that to be heavily resistance. In fact, you can even short it. Something like this. And then, although we might already meet the target, no? Kasi ang initial target is 0.96. Nakuha natin is 0.985. So, considered as test na ba yun? O, pwede. Tingnan nga natin itong head and shoulders na to. Okay, this one is pointing lower actually. 0.7. Tingnan natin, meron ba tayong area dun sa 4 hour? Yeah. Okay, so I think we can come here again. But if we close 4 hour below 0.93, I would immediately be looking at 0.85. Tingnan, nakita natin yun sa daily level kanina. 0.88 to eh. Ano ba mas maganda? Yup, dito 0.85. Yup, 2.8 region. So, and if that fails, I would immediately look for 0.85 to 0.8 yung next buy area if 0.93 breaks. And then, after that, 0.7. 0.7 ba? Tingnan natin weekly. Ano nandun? Wala. 10 simple. Although, I don't trust 10 simple SMA yun. Parabolic markets. Yeah, okay. Nandun yung daily 89. Yeah, I think bounce on the 0.7. Pero immediately will fail, I think. 4377 nandun. So, mag-fail yung bounce, I think, if we even get to 0.7. But it's still a buy opportunity for long term, as that's the target. Where would I want to really buy heavily? It's actually this point. Yeah, it's actually here in the 21. So around 0.6 to 0.50, 0.45, grabe. Grabe naman bagsak nun pag ganun. Well, anything below 0.7 is already a major buy opportunity. So as long as it's above 0.45 at the end of the day, no, hindi na siya magbagsak doon. Kasi grabe na yun. So, yeah, this one is still buy opportunity. It's a monthly. So, yun. So, immediate summarize lang natin si Cardano. Um, we will, so, short term, I think seller will step in again up to 1.15. If we are able to break 1.15, I would expect 1.2, 22 test and then 1.3 again. And that would be very, very good for setup para sa breakout on new all-time highs. Now, if not, I expect it to test 0.96 to 0.93 again, bounce there, and then if that one gets rejected again and breaks 0.93, I would expect 0.85 to 0.8. Then okay na rin bumili and up to 0.7. Pero wag all in, no? Kasi possible mag-crash eh. Now, yung pinaka major buy talaga, as in yung pwede ka mag all in kung gusto mo, is anything below 0.7 na. So around 0.65 meron din level, yeah, 0.65 and 0.6 and then 0.55 to 0.45. Pag nag-below pa to ng 0.45, nako, ibig sabihin may fundamental problem tong Cardano and you don't want to be a hodler of that. I think yun lang muna for today sa analysis natin. Check natin yung ibang coin on next few videos. Okay?